friends, welcome to Tamo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our second question. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. So first case, the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of plot is 1 meter more than twice of its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So let's going to take, what is this? Here we need to, let's going to draw one rectangular plot. Length is, so what you can say, length is 1 meter more. 1 meter more than twice of its breadth. So let's going to write, this is rectangle. So this is rectangle, this is length and this is breadth. So length is capital L and breadth is, let's going to take capital B. So this is the values. So what is the area they are given? So area will be equal to length into breadth. So length is capital L, breadth is B. So what is length and breadth? That is 528 meters square. So this is the 528 meters square. L is length and B is breadth. So what definition they are given? The length will be equal to, so length, what you can say, length capital L will be equal to, is equal to 1 meter more than twice of its breadth. So 1 meter more than twice of its breadth. 1 meter more means, we need to write 1 meter more here. More means addition symbol. 2 times of breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So let's going to take what is length and breadth of the plot here. So length they are given in the format of breadth, right? For that, let's breadth will be equal to what you can say. So breadth will be equal to x meters. Breadth will be equal to x meters. That will be equal to length will be equal to 1 plus 2x meters or 2x plus 1 meter. You can write like this. So area will be equal to length into breadth. So breadth already we have taken. Length is what? 2x plus 1 into breadth is what? X meters. That is 528 meters square. So let's going to take, this is in the format of 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 into x. So 2x into x, 2x square plus 1 into x, x will be equal to 528 meters. That implies you can say 2x square plus x minus 528 meters equal to 0. So we are framed the quadratic equations. So like this we have to find it. So here our second one. What is that? The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integer. So let's going to take two integers. So what are the integers? So let integers are 1, 2, 3. So product of positives. So these are the positive integers. So it is increasing by 1, 1, 1 for the previous one. So 1, 1 plus 1, then 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. So we are writing like this. So for 2 we can write 1 plus 1. For 3, 2 plus 1. So before for that we are added 1 to it. So let's going to take two consecutive, let two consecutive, you can say consecutive means one is a consecutive positive integers. So for every numbers it will going to increase the 1 to it. So let's going to take smaller integer, one integer. So smaller integer we can write as some x. So then next integer, consecutive integer. So next consecutive integer for this integer. Consecutive means beside one. Consecutive integer will be equal to x plus 1. So what they are asking here, the product means product of two consecutive integers. So both of that product will be equal to, so both numbers x into x plus 1 will be equal to 306. So we can write this is x square plus x will be equal to 306. We can write like x square plus x minus 306 will be equal to 0. Now this is what you can say here is both are, this is in the format of smaller integer is x. So what we need to find? Integer smaller integer will be equal to x. This is in the format of quadratic equation. Now we can simplify easily. Now let's going to see our third one in the second one. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So here the reference they are given as Rohan's. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360 years. So we have to consider 3 years, 360 years. We need to find the Rohan's present age. So what we have to take it here is Rohan's is we have to take as x years, but mother is in the format given as Rohan's age. So let age of Rohan, we can take age of Rohan, present age, sorry, here you can take it as present age of Rohan will be equal to some x years. Then what is 26 years older than him? Then Rohan's mother age. So what is the age of Rohan's mother age? Rohan's mother age will be equal to 26 years older than Rohan's age. Older means we have to add it. So 26 years elder than Rohan's age. So for that x and x plus 26 years. Then after 3 years, what is that? So we have to consider after 3 years. Then what is the age of Rohan? So age of Rohan will be equal to x plus 3 years. We need to add 3 years to the present age after 3 years. Then age of what you can say Rohan's mother. So Rohan's mother will be equal to what is that present age x plus 26. Then what is next one? 3 years we need to add. So for that x plus 29 years. Then what they are given? Product. We have to think about this. So product of their ages after 3 years. So product of their ages. So Rohan age. So what is the product? The product means multiplication. After 3 years, product, that is x plus 3 into x plus 29. So that will be equal to, what is that? They both are 360 years. So what is that? 360 years. So we can write 360 years. So let's going to multiply x into x square plus 229 into x 29x plus 3 into x 3x 3 into 29. So what is that? 3 into 29 we will get it as 87. So 87 years will be equal to 360 years. So let's going to add x square plus 29 plus 3x. So that is 32. 32x plus 87 minus 360 will be equal to 0. We are shifting to this to the left side. So what value we will get it? So here 360 x square plus 32x. So let's going to write x square plus 32x minus 360. So 360 minus 87 we have to do. So minus 273. So we will get it as minus 273 will be equal to 0. So this is in the format of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. We can find Rohan's age. So Rohan's age will be equal to some x years. So based on this quadratic expression, we can find the value of x. So like this we have to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So here our fourth one. What is that? A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So there is no change in the speed. So what is the distance they are given? So distance will be equal to 480 kilometers. 480 kilometers. Then if the speed had been 8 km for the hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So distance they are given. So let's going to take what is the formula of speed. So speed will be equal to what is that? Distance by time. So distance by time. So this is the speed formula. So let's going to take what you can take speed of train. Speed of train will be equal to some x kilometer per hour. So x kilometer per hour. Let's going to take this is the speed of train. So at speed time, so time is the same. So whatever the train timing is same. So let's going to take if it is a time will be equal to what is that distance by speed. So for the first time uniform speed, if it is going with the uniform speed, that is the value of, so this distance is 480 and x is this one. Then time speed 8 kilometer per hour less, what you can say x minus 8. So x is the what? 8 kilometer per hour, 8. So this is x minus 8 kilometer per hour. You can take it like this. So what is the time? The time will be equal to distance is 480 by x minus 8. So this is the time x minus 8. For that we need to add 3 hours more. So if it is a time will be equal to x minus 8 speed kilometer per hour and 480 is the distance. Since what you can say here is therefore we can write one thing. So if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, it would have taken 3 hours more cover the same distance. So it will going to take same distance, but so for this distance uniform speed, let's going to take 3 hours more if it travels, if it is travels with what you can say 8 km per hour less. So for that we need to take 3 hours, right? Let's going to write what you can write 480 by x, that will be equal to 480 by x minus 8 plus 3 hours. So this is the time. So time at uniform speed and time at x minus 8 kilometer less speed. So going to write 480 by x will be equal to 480. For that 3 into x minus 8, we are taking the LCM, that is x minus 8. So 480, or you can take simply with the cancellation of 3 also, 480 by x, 480 plus 3x minus 24 by x minus 8. So cross multiply all the values. So 480 into x minus 8 will be equal to 480 plus 3x minus 24 into x. So we can take it here 480x minus 480 into 8 will be equal to 480 into x plus 3x square minus 24x. So 480x and 480x here will going to cancel. Then what is this value? That will be equal to 3x square minus 24x will be equal to minus 480 into 8. So let's going to take this one 3x square minus 24x minus 480 into 8. So what is this? 480 into 8. So we will get it as 3840. So minus 3840. So divide all this with the 3. So let's going to take common of 3x square minus 24x plus 3840 will be equal to 0. Then 3 will be taken common. Then 3 minus. So x square minus 8x plus 3 1s are 3 6 are. So 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Then 4 will be there. 3 8s are. Then remaining 0. So like this we have to find it. So x is equal to speed of train. Speed of train. So this is the value. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.